Hey, Greg here. Let's start today looking at a new feature YouTube is rolling out that can make you a ton of money in 2020. In this video, we're going to break down this new opportunity to make passive income on YouTube and explain how you can be making up to $500 per day on the website. So what if I told you you can make a video once and get paid again and again and again indefinitely every time people watch your videos? Yeah, you're probably thinking he's just talking about ad revenue, where you get paid every time ads are shown on your videos. I've recently been paid over $2,000 myself for the ad revenue this channel made last month, so I know how profitable ad revenue can be on YouTube. But this video is actually going to be talking about a 2020 new feature that YouTube is releasing called Viewer Applause that's going to make you more money in addition to the ad revenue that you're already making. The money you'll be making with this new feature, similar to most of the money you make on YouTube anyway, is going to be completely passive income. You do the work once by making one single video, but you're going to get paid again and again on an ongoing basis every time new people watch your videos. You can just put your feet up, sit back, and have the money roll in. So this new feature, Viewer Applause, is being slowly released to all creators on YouTube. So you need to learn how to take advantage of it to make as much new passive income through your YouTube channel as possible. So what is it? What is Viewer Applause? Viewer Applause is a new button that's going to be added underneath all of your videos, like you'll see on screen now. And every time one of your viewers pushes this button, they'll send money directly to you. Think of it basically as a Patreon alternative. Patreon is a website outside of YouTube where your YouTube audience can go to send you money, whether it's as a gesture of appreciation or to help you make videos in the future. And YouTube's new Viewer Applause button lets your audience do exactly the same thing, send you money. But they'll never have to leave the website. It's built straight into YouTube with that button that shows underneath your videos. And that's how you're going to make this completely new source of passive income on YouTube, by mentioning that Viewer Applause button below your videos and encouraging your audience to press it to show you support. That's going to put more money in your pocket continually whenever new people find and watch your videos. So let's get into the specifics and the technical details around this new feature. Every time your audience sends money by clicking the Viewer Applause button, you, the creator, keep 70% of that donation and YouTube keeps 30%. That's a 70-30 split that's pretty consistent across all of YouTube and all YouTube features. At the time of this video being made, there's only a fixed option of $2 that your audience can select to send to you. But this is likely to change as the feature is around for a longer amount of time. And per viewer, there's a $500 a day limit on what you can send to creators. So let's say a single viewer is feeling generous one day. They find your channel for the first time and watch one of your videos and like it so much that they hit that Viewer Applause button. They could go on to watch another of your videos and another and keep binge watching your videos and hitting that applause button every time until they hit their $500 daily limit of what they can send. Now, it's unlikely that you're going to get sent $500 a day from a single viewer, but Viewer Applause is just one of many features that you can use on YouTube to make passive income. There's tons of methods that the wealthiest YouTubers combine and use together to generate $500 a day or more from their channels. Now, these money-making opportunities are what I dedicate my time to learning and teaching others about. You'll find a link in the description to this video to my YouTube Money Making Academy, which I've spent 6 months making, going into extensive detail on how you can get these money-making opportunities set up and attached to your YouTube channel. Lots of people intend to start out on YouTube but just don't know how to make their channel profitable. Or you already have a YouTube channel, but it's just not making as much money as you had hoped when you began. My YouTube Money Making Academy teaches you the step-by-step process for turning your YouTube channel into a 6-figure business, using the same knowledge and methods I used myself when building this channel. As I mentioned earlier in this video, I made over $2,000 in ad revenue alone on this channel. And with all the other methods of making me money, which I teach in my training, January was a very good month for me. So if you want to go ahead and join me in my training, you'll find a link to the YouTube Money Making Academy in the description to this video. And as a YouTube viewer, if you type the code viewer30 on the checkout page of that training, you'll get a 30% discount. So you'll learn things in there like how to turn on viewer applause and all the other features in YouTube to make sure you're making as much money as possible. You'll learn how to activate easy money-making opportunities outside of YouTube that your channel will create for you. And I give you step-by-step tutorials on the tools you should be using to make your channel as successful as possible and get you on your way to making that $500 of passive income a day. There's nearly 100 students already within the YouTube Money Making Academy since it was released, and here's just some snapshots in the great value they've been experiencing since being enrolled. And if you're serious about growing a profitable YouTube channel yourself, I'd love to have you enrolled too. So I hope you're as excited as I am about this new opportunity to make passive income with viewer applause, and just all the other opportunities on and off YouTube that we can make money with. If you grow your YouTube channel big enough, you can take advantage of the many passive income opportunities that come with YouTube and get that $500 a day or more of passive income hitting your bank account. I started my channel about 3 years ago when I was wandering around the world, traveling, had no real idea about what I wanted to do with my future. And now it provides me with a full-time income, and it's become an amazing opportunity for me. And I believe if I can do it, anyone can do it. So keep checking this YouTube channel where I aim to teach you about all the new opportunities that come about with YouTube and any changes to existing features that already exist on the platform. Enroll in my training if you're serious about taking your YouTube channel to the next level and turning it into a profitable business. Make sure to use that discount code VIEWER30 at the checkout page to get your 30% discount off the price. And finally, make sure not to miss the video next Monday, providing you with juicy YouTube tips every week. So thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you soon. Bye.